what is the reason 90% of startup fails within a year? 2020 देखि लिएर 2021 सम्म 90% of the business or 90% of the startups have failed which have started with a small budget. किन के reason हुन सक्छ? See, there are some basic reasons which you all know. For example, पैसा कमीले गर्दा हुन सक्छ because you guys have invested so much of money for starting and making your infrastructure something like that कि त्यो एक वर्षको ब्याकअप नै रहेन जसले गर्दा कुनै जरुरी छैन आज व्यापार सुरु भयो भनेपछि या आज स्टार्टअप सुरु भयो भनेपछि आज नै चल्छ इट्स नट इम्पोर्टेन्ट सो one factor can be money also second factor can be unestablishment of team member like team memberहरु चेन्ज भइरहेछ उनीहरुको विचारधारा चेन्ज भइरहेछ so that can also be a very big problem in startup actually the third can be management if you don't have a strong management or if you don't have the experienced management for that particular startup so this can also be a big mistake you are going to do while starting your own startup above this all यो भन्दा पनि जरुरी के छ भनेपछि we are going to discuss about it the all video is on this so स्वागत छ तपाईलाई के र कसरीमा and today we are going to discuss about what are the key we need to follow to just avoid ourselves from failing of startup which is the 90% of probability these days in 20 and 21 the startup are failing all because of lack of these things so the things are research analysis and implementation please don't take your startup very lightly कुनै पनि हामी व्यापार सुरु गर्छौं या कुनै पनि हामी स्टार्टअप रेडी गर्छौं नि खास गरेर एन्टरप्रेन्योर्स द न्यू युथ उनीहरुले के सोच्छन् भनेपछि एउटा दुईटा कुरा सोच्छन् साथी छ पैसा छ दुईजनालाई एक्सपिरियन्स छ स्टार्ट गरौं नो that is only not enough so let us talk about the research so research is always done on targeted audiences तपाईले आफ्नो टार्गेटेड ऑडियन्स माथि रिसर्च गर्नुपर्छ I mean to say यदि तपाईले स्टार्टअप काठमाडौँमा खोल्न सोच्नु भइरहेछ or if you are just thinking to do your startup on Birganj or Biratnagar or anywhere don't only calculate its population हुन सक्छ काठमाडौँको पपुलेसन या बिग सिटीज को पपुलेसन तपाईको 50 लाख 60 लाख या 20 लाख होला but they all are not your targeted audiences they are just an audience so who are the targeted audiences targeted audience भनेको के हो the audiences who are influenced or who are looking for your product or product similar like you so they are called targeted audiences so do a proper research on your targeted audience the second is you have to very much be aware about the location location एकदम जरुरी छ कुनै पनि स्टार्टअप को लागि लोकेसन यस्तो हुनु पर्यो त्यसले कुनै न कुनै तरिकाले भौगोलिक तरिकाले कुनै पनि तरिकाले तपाईले स्टार्टअपलाई एक स्टेप बुस्ट गरेर आओस् so location is also very much important if you are thinking of any startup the third point in research part is efforting capacity so somehow you got some rich targeted audiences body targeted audienceहरु छ त्यो पर्टिकुलर लोकेसनमा now you have to just think the psychology of your audiences like what can be their efforting capacity कति पैसा खर्च गर्न सक्छ तपाईले त्यो स्टार्टअप गरेको प्रोडक्ट या सर्भिसेस माथि so that is important in research and the fourth is that which is very much important is तपाईले आफ्नो कम्पिटिटर माथि केस स्टडी गर्नुपर्छ so you have to work we have to do a proper case study on your competitor who are doing the very much business or very much startup things like you are doing their weakness their strong point उनीहरुको कमी के छ किन कमीले उनीहरुको कमीमा नै तपाईले स्ट्रङ पोइन्ट देखाएर उनीहरुलाई ओभरटेक गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ and their weakness and their strong point के चीजमा स्ट्रङ छन् so you have to do best on their strongness and you can make your product or services more better than them so यो त हाम्रो कुरा भयो for research factor so these are the research thing now let us move towards the analysis as we know the analysis is always done on the basis of research if you have done a proper research then the analysis will be very much good according to it so what we are going to analyze हामी analysis part मा के गर्न जाँदै छौं after research now you need to estimate the price basis on your research पहिला जुन प्राइस तपाईले सोच्नु भयो थियो ओके हाम्रो यो प्रोडक्ट या सर्भिसेस को यति प्राइस हुनु पर्छ तर जब तपाईले एउटा राम्ररी रिसर्च गर्नुभयो आफ्नो मार्केटलाई आफ्नो टार्गेट ऑडियन्सलाई आफ्नो कन्ज्युमर बिहेभियरलाई I am pretty much sure pricing ma केही फरक आउँछ so you have to estimate the right price during the analysis time The second point is identify your product market potential. Because अब तपाईले जुन price decrease or increase गर्नुभयो नि after doing the research in the analysis part, now we have to identify the product market potential according to that price. The third point in the analysis is identify your break even point. It means what? Whatever the revenue you guys are generating, जुन revenue तपाई generate गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ त्यो revenue को net profit ले तपाईहरुको के expenses मा help गर्दैछ. For example, your bills, your rent, your employee cost, your research tools या marketing tools या marketing कुराहरुमा कतिको त्यो आएको net profit ले help गर्छ. So you also need to analyze these things before launching the product or services in the market. The fourth point is determine the minimum sales point. So what is this determine the minimum sales point? I will give you an example. Somebody became your proper customer within 3 to 4 months. अब तपाईले के गर्नुपर्छ उनीहरुलाई एउटा super discount दिनुपर्छ. Because if somebody is being a proper and regular customer, you have to give a good discount to them. So you have to already analyze. पहिले देखि नै तपाईले analyze गरेर राख्नुपर्छ कि यदि हाम्रो कोही प्रिमियम कस्टमर बन्छ या सुपर कस्टमर बन्छ सो हामीले कति धेरै डिस्काउन्ट दिँदा फेरि पनि हामीलाई घाटा नलागोस्. So that should also be done before launching or before starting your startup, which is very much important. It will create a good PR for you. जसले एउटा राम्रो PR create गर्छ तपाईको startup को लागि. The fifth point which is very much important in the analysis part is that consider the long term. So what do we mean by the consider the long term? It's very simple. See, तपाईले आज स्टार्टअप गर्नुभयो हैन स्टार्टअप एउटा रनिङ फेजमा जानलाई एउटा सेकेन्ड फेजमा जानलाई of course it may take 8 months to 1 year. यति त लागि नै हाल्छ 8 महिनादेखि 1 वर्ष लाग्छ. So consider the long term means त्यो रनिङ हुन स्टार्ट भयो चल्न स्टार्ट भयो त्यो बेलासम्म त्यो ट्रेन्ड गयो भने तपाईको त्यो स्टार्टअपको ट्रेन्ड गयो भने या ऑडियन्सहरु बोर भयो भने या त्यो पहिला चाहिँ चलिरहेको थियो अब चाहिँ हैन यो चल्दैन something like that. So what you are going to do? So always just determine yourself whatever startup you are going to do should be long term startup, like it won't bore your audiences. It will be always creating a good market craze. तो जहिले पनि audience को दिमागमा audience को बीचमा तपाईको startup को craze रहिरहोस् for a long term. So that is the main thing you need to notice about on the fifth point of this analysis part. So we have covered the research part. हामीले research राम्ररी गर्यौं. Research को basis मा हामीले analysis राम्ररी गर्यौं. Now we come to implementation part. अब implementation गर्ने बालो आयो. So whatever the product or services you are going to launch in the market, you can go and launch it. But after launching it, you cannot sit quiet and watch. You have to keep on taking reports of it every single day and keep on working on it according to its behavior. So this is the reason a lot of the startup don't get success, because they miss out the research and analysis. They just go for the implementation after having few money or having few teams. Team जरुरी छ, तर टीम को हुँदा हुँदै तपाईले एउटा proper research र proper analyze गर्न जरुरी छ आफ्नो particular startup को. Then I guarantee your startup won't be in the list of that 90% which are getting failed within a year. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe, we can bring more and more videos which is informative for you guys. Thank you.